The Merlot block gets the morning sun, but the Pinot Noir needs that cooler, shaded section over there. Look how full these clusters are getting.
Yes, the stems look strong too.
Yeah.
The sugar levels should be excellent this year.
Sugar levels look good, skins are soft, though.
The numbers align. Let's prepare the cruise.
Prestigious vineyards often harvest by hand to protect the grapes from early crushing and to preserve the best berries for wine quality.
These look very good. Yes, the quality is high this season. Make sure that goes to the stainless steel.
Copy that, starting the flow now.
Check the pressure on the gauge.
Okay, the lid is secured.
Good. Temperature probes are active and holding steady.
This one smells perfect, ready for the Chardonnay. Seals look good on this row. Let's move to the next section.
Valve set to 2.5 bars.
Confirmed. Must levels are stable.
White wine takes a different path as the juice is separated immediately from the skins to preserve clarity, freshness, and delicate aromatics.
The gauge is reading slightly high on vessel 4.
Okay, adjusting the cooling jackets now. We need to maintain 15 degrees for the aroma.
The temperature on tank 12 is holding steady at 14 Celsius. Confirmed. Data logged.
The structure is there, but the acidity needs balancing. Try adding just a few drops of the reserve blend to harmonize the profile.
Ensure the volume is precisely at the meniscus line. Confirmed. Everything is perfectly consistent.
The wrap is perfect on this one.
Yes, very secure, ready for export.
Codes checked out on the scanner.
All right, mark it complete and send it in.